Devaneri, the traditional fishing village of East India. One of the fishermen who have been fishing for more than 17 years is Kandan.
I was a 20-year-old small boy when I started fishing. It was very risky. When I started, we only used catamarans. There was no engine, we only used an oar, and we do not go far away. We go very near, only 2 to 3 kilometers.
"17 years back, when Kandan started his fishing career, the village fishermen used catamarans as their boat. But now, they have developed their vessels to FRP boats with long-tailed outboard engines.
In an agricultural family, the sons will follow their father and do agricultural work, herd cattle, and sometimes go to college. But I was born in the coastal region. Here in the coastal region, we try and follow our forefathers and go for fishing. That is our intention as well, because it's in our blood. I didn't go for another job because I don't have a good education. I've studied only till 8th grade. If I go for a job, they'll ask for a higher qualification. Also, if I go for another job, I'll only get around 7,000 rupees per month. I cannot manage with that. But with fishing, I might get 2,000 rupees per day, and sometimes 500 rupees per day, and sometimes nothing at all. But I've been able to manage our life with it till now. Also, this is a familiar profession for us. Instead of going for an unfamiliar job and struggle, I'm continuing to do what I know.
Though Kandan is a fisherman, he does not want his children to involve in this sector.
Initially, I didn't get support to go for fishing, but later my family agreed. Now we want to educate our children and we want them to go for other professions, not for fishing. For them to study and go for a good job is the most important thing. Also, this generation feels that they can have a better life if they have a better job. They'll come for fishing, but only on their free time.
If the fishermen don't want their children to join this traditional work, how would they sustain the Indian traditional fishing village Devaneri as a fishing village?